Hello everyone. What I have here is a Keso 10 RS Omega. This lock does not belong to me. It is Bill Bacardi's. It is a loaner, and it comes with the instructions, don't try to gut. So, since this is not my lock, I will be respecting his wishes and not gutting this, because I'm sure he would like to get this very nice lock back in one piece, not as a bag of parts. Bam. All there is to it, folks. That is the Keso 10 RS Omega. I appreciate you watching. Everybody have a great day. See, it's very nice lock. Lots of fun. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.